Meaning of ectoplasm.
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 Ectoplasm. Ectoplasm refers to a supposed substance that is said to emanate from the body of a medium during a spiritualistic trance or séance. It is believed to be a physical manifestation of spiritual energy or entities and is often described as a viscous, milky white substance. The phenomenon gained popularity in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, with many spiritualist and psychical researchers claiming to have witnessed ectoplasmic manifestations. However, modern science has shown no concrete evidence for the existence of ectoplasm, and it is largely considered a fraudulent or delusional claim.